This is a DIY on how to make locking PVC rod holders. I'm not going to tell you how to flare and how to cut the slots, because there's plenty of videos out there on that. All I'm going to show you is what I did different to it, which is I cut an extra piece of the PVC. Now the problem with this stuff is this is the thin wall stuff, and it's very flexible. And not only does it flex inward, it flexes outward too. So what I did was I cut an extra piece off, cut a slit in it. Of course, I took a little chunk out of it too. And the purpose of this is when you put your rod in here, or your reel, whatever, your reel handle or reel neck, you slide this in, and then you just turn this. Now your reel is locked in place. Now, it's not a tried and true end-all be-all to locking your reel in place, but it's a nice added safety feature. Like if you don't have a leash handy, a little extra slice of PVC will do it. Now, I made my own rod holders, but if you're going to use these and you take a piece of 1 1/4 PVC, you'll probably have to slide it around there. You might have to file this off, this little lip off of here, because it's not going to slide over that. This is thin wall PVC. Now, I didn't have a piece of 1 1/4 PVC. I did have a piece of 2-inch PVC. So what I did was I cut a little slice, a little 1-inch slice of this off, slid it over, widened it, slid it over. Then I heated it with my heat gun. You can see the little burn marks on it. And once I realized it's kind of heated all the way, I got my little AC going over here. I kind of dunked it in cool water. And when I first cut this, see, it has a little gap now, but when I first cut this, it was actually closing that much. So all I need to do is flare this, cut the little notch out. I'll probably cut the notch to match these, but this is just my spin on making, I guess, safety PVC rod holders, you know. But if this saves your rod, saves your reel, or if it works for you, shoot me a little comment, like my video, subscribe, send me $1. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Talk to you later.